If your MacBook screen is flickering, then here is the solution. So the very first fix is just click on your Apple menu logo here and click on System Settings. And now here what you have to do, you have to just go to Displays from the sidebar and just turn off True Tone. Okay, and then try again. If this doesn't work, then just go to Battery from the left menu, scroll down and click on Options and just turn on this option, Optimize Video Streaming while on battery. Okay, click on Done and see whether this issue gets resolved or not. If this is also not working, one tip is try to keep your screen at around 90 degree, fully perpendicular, and see whether it helps in the flickering issue. Now, if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just update your MacBook to the latest version, okay, and restart your PC, okay. Also, in the setting options, just search login items, click on it, and if there are any apps which are already added to the list, just select it and delete it from here. Also click on Apple logo and click on Force Quit, and if there are many apps running here, just try to select it and force quit the apps. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.